He claimed the Quran says you can marry your child, right? I want him to pull out the ayah from the Quran, the verse where it says you can marry your child. If he does not pull that out, then know that this guy is not only a lame Zionist, a lame BJP apologist, he's a liar also. Yeah. Stop.
Why? You're still looking for it? He's not there. Do you need help?
No, I will take it. He's hidden it.
He's gonna be looking for the verse all day. Okay. They know when faced with Muslims who study their faith,
1 minute,
they
10
have
seconds
nothing but embarrassment. He doesn't even know science. He doesn't know philosophy. He doesn't know why he's ex-Muslim. He doesn't even know anything about Islam. Because I want all Indian Muslims to spread this around India and expose these people. Because Zionism makes you so evil that you become a liar and you become completely mindless. There's a reason why you only make noise online. When faced with a Muslim who knows his faith, you have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing. You have nothing but embarrassment, like you are being embarrassed right now. You have nothing.
We've been waiting for 5 minutes now.
He doesn't have the ayah. He's pretending that he has something. I know there is no ayah. I know there is no verse in the Quran. Now that is clear, does he have the shame? And I know he doesn't. There's no ayah. There's no ayah. Yeah? There's no verse.
Why? Are you running away?
There is no verse.
Are you going to run away?
Find it.
Download ShareChat.